Hi, fellow Mac users. This is Bill. Thanks for coming to my channel. And today I'll be sharing with you how you could use Siri. So, well, I took it to this Apple website where it gives you a guide on how to use Siri. So it's basically the out-of-the-box commands that you directly tell to Siri, and where Siri will basically respond accordingly, right? So the first step is basically I'm a search person. I go to the search box at the top right and search for Siri. Now, there will be an icon, right? Not an icon, like a bulb like appearing on the top right. So it will start blinking. I'm not sure if you can see it, but in my earlier test, it was not showing. So basically, as the bulb light actually blinks, it means that it is listening to you, right? So can you like give a command? So the commands will be coming from some examples here already that you could provide a command like hey Siri or Siri, then start your request. So this is how it's basically built, right? So as you move forward, there are um, like this one, or using your phone, right? But in our example, we're using a Mac, where you could ask Siri to text someone for you. So, for example, you have the Apple app in your car, so you could also ask Siri where
I
you.
didn't get that. Could you try again?
So you must have heard that, basically. Uh, so Siri is already responding, right? So if Siri doesn't understand, so let's try that. Siri, share my ETA with Antonio. Right. So right now, Siri is not blinking. So Siri is not on listening capacity. So let us go straight to the command. So I've passed quite a few, but what I would like to share with you is this carousels which are floating here. So there's some like categories that you could work on, right? So you could either turn on a flashlight, right? Find a hiking trail, right? So let's try something. So let's do something to do with sports, right? So I'm now going to click Siri. So he or she will be in the listening mode. Hey Siri,
Go
who
ahead.
directed this movie?
I found this on the web.
Right. So you could see Siri already responds and goes in a pause. Right. So let's try this one on the top left. Siri, play The Weekend on Pandora.
I don't see an app for that. You'll need to download one.
Okay, so you see that it's actually asking for some prerequisites. So let's try another one. I'm gonna click Siri again. Siri, who's the tallest professional basketball player?
This is a list of the tallest players in National Basketball Association history. It is currently topped by the 7-foot 7-inch 2.31 Romanian Gheorghe Muresan, taken by the Washington Bullets as the number 30 overall pick in the 1993 NBA draft. This answer is from wikipedia.org.
Quite a very detailed response. So so basically you could try this one until you get the hang of it, right? So make some trial and error and see how it works. But it's quite a brilliant feature of Apple that you could basically utilize as long as you have an Apple device. It could be a Mac Mini or iPhone. You could basically straight away crack and fire and see how it works. Very brilliant, I would say, and I'm impressed. As you can see here, you could even text your mom, right? And see is the front door locked. So as long as you have this devices or smart home, as you can see the category, then it will respond accordingly, right? So hopefully I managed to help you out. Please like and subscribe, and continuously follow my channel, and I'll be bringing you more features about the Apple Mac Mini at this stage. And I'm excited to the coming of the Vision Pro and hope to see you there. Thank you.